Today, I'm going to show you how to view the accounts you've blocked on Snapchat. If you ever want to check or unblock someone, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down until you see the account action setting section. Here you'll find the option that says blocked. Go ahead and tap on it. Here's where you'll see all the list of the accounts you've blocked on Snapchat. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on the X. On the name, a confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure. Just hit yes to unblock them. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and unblocked accounts on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.